Factorise x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 as far as possible. So we'd like to find one factor first because it's a cubic. We know how to solve quadratics but not necessarily cubics. So let's let f of x be x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So let's do a systematic search. Really, we have to look for factors of 2. So I'm going to do f of 1, which is going to give me 1 plus 2, take 1, take 2, which is 0. So I've found a factor. I know that x minus 1 is a factor. That means that x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 would be equal to x minus 1 multiplied by another factor. And since this is a cubic and this is linear, that is going to be a quadratic. Notice I've got 1x cubed here. That means 1x squared there is necessary. Notice that this is negative 2, that's negative 1. That means the back of this bracket must be a plus 2. Think about how you expand to get the constant. The one that we don't know is the middle one. Let's call that one px for now. And then I can go about finding that p by, for example, using coefficients of x squared. So on the left, the coefficient of x squared is 2. What's going to give me x squared over here? I'm going to get minus 1 from there and plus p from there. And that gives me that p is equal to 3. So I now have x minus 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2. And if we can factorise, we know how to factorise a quadratic. And so I've got x minus 1, and that ends up being x plus 1, x plus 2.